Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to make homemade Bisibale bath. Ingredients: tomato, onion, carrot, potato, lady's finger, capsicum. This is Bisibale bath powder. Half a cup of tur dal. 1 cup of rice. Soak 2 spoons of tamarind in hot water. Curry leaves. Now take cooker. And now add 1 cup of rice. Half a cup of tur dal, and wash them with water. Add 3 cups of water into it. Now add 2 spoons of turmeric. Add 2 spoons of salt. Or else add the salt as per your quantity. Add 1 spoon of oil. Cook the rice and dal together until dal turns completely mushy. While rice and dal are on one stove. In between the time we can boil the vegetables in another stove. Add all the vegetables and boil. Some salt to the vegetables. And on another stove, rice and dal are cooked. And now mash the rice gently. After that, take another bowl and add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Add some oil. Nuts, tamper. Add dried red mirchi. Now add peanuts 1 cup. Stir them. Add some curry leaves. Observe if the peanuts are little cooked. Add all the vegetables into it where we are boiled before. And cook for some time. After add tamarind juice into it. Mix well. Add salt as per your taste. Add 2 tablespoons of red chili powder. Add 2 to 3 spoons of Bisibale bath powder. After completion of boiling, add all the liquid into the dal rice. And now mix all the items properly. After completion of mixing, switch on the stove and keep the Bisibale bath cook for some time. By cooking like that, dal rice absorbs the flavors and becomes tasty. The tasty Bisibale bath is ready. Please subscribe to my channel and click